It's time for a true custom fit orthotic. If you're looking for a better orthotic that offers proper support and is truly tailored to your foot, then you need the best technology. Until today, using old tech to find the right fit was nearly impossible. At ProMotion Healthcare, our specialists take the time to perform a full biomechanical analysis and use the latest foot scanning technology to capture the highest foot scan possible. Coupled with the best engineers, we produce the best orthotics specific to your foot. With one of the most advanced 3D HP printers in the world, we construct your new custom orthotic with astonishing accuracy, ensuring that your feet are comfortably supported every day. Your custom orthotic is now ready for your foot. Using this advanced process guarantees perfect fitting orthotic the first time. With 3D printed orthotics' clean, fast, and accurate process, you can stop worrying about your feet and walk easy.